So I like to stand up when I do it, stand over top, and then I just peel it up.
And you want to make sure the computer's cold.
Yeah.
Generally.
And you can grab the bottom side, no problem, and you just
So it's not
I
really
kind of like-
sticker, that's cool.
it is, but I don't know if I've just got the technique from so long doing this, but I can peel it right back up at this point if I wanted, and it's no problem. And you can see that like as you push it down, I'm just pushing from the middle to the edges, and these little like raised areas that still have air just kind of clear out. I don't even need to use any kind of special wiper. I just use my fingers. And that's pretty much all there is to it.
Cool, easy.
Yeah. There you go. Done. It looks like the one that I grabbed here actually has a little defect on it.
That's okay.
It's not okay, but I'll send you an extra. So, yeah, there you go.
That looks nice, sharp.
Yeah.
I like that.